Welcome back to another episode. I can't do this, but it's too sunny. I thank God. Welcome back to another episode.
Morning.
Today we're going on this hike and we're going to hunt some people while we do it.
Yes, dog. You're seeing the action here.
Well, if it's enough.
See, this is what forms.
What happened, Shah?
What happened?
Join us. Morning and they're playing FIFA.
Oh God.
What happened, Gabriel?
What happened?
Who?
Pool boy.
Like, go back inside the goal by one team.
Taxi Daz, you ready for this hike? Of course. You ever been on a hike
before?
What?
No. Never was on a hike before. First hike. I mean like an official hike. I walk here, but an official hike first time.
Aight.
First time,
This looking like Jurassic Park, boy. Check that out. You already busting out the essentials, boy.
God damn!
What's that? Show it. Woo! Busting out the essentials already, boy.
No, but yeah. Nah, it's shoes now, mate. It gonna be heavy. Long pants is good idea and long socks.
43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
This. Else, boy, forget this. Forget that, it's still not necessary.
We're walking through Rincon, heading to the waterfall. It's beautiful. Sunday morning. Nice sun. Everything's lovely. All the girls looking bright.
all the boys too.
All the boys looking. Nah, I didn't say that.
Desiree!
I'm recording here. Make sure.
So am I Kadir.
Make sure Mario see that, please, Gabe. Thank you.
Desiree! I'm sorry, babe. Romario is our subscriber. He go see us.
Oh, I said hold on, I left your
Oh, Gabe's answered, okay? Okay, thanks. We're going through beautiful sticks vines here we have. As you see, nice, brilliant sun. God bless us with.
The beauty of nature.
God bless you with muscles. Good luck. I'm happy.
More water.
I going.
Woo! So what was that just now? I fine. Wait. And how are you enjoying yourself over this? I'm sorry, what that's Ree. What's your comments on this? There you have it, folks. Last great bus hike leaves students breathless. Look how deep it is. I could honestly say that this hike has a lot of ups and downs, literally. I wonder where this gate leads. Another incline is with all the bush. So much more bush, but I mean like at least here Looking kind of pretty. So much gaps. Oh my gosh. This is feeling more like a safari than anything else right now. Oh my gosh. I could hear water.
I was hearing water and I thought it was close.
Me too.
Sadly, but the water go around.
And sadly that path
But
there
it's right
on the
there,
underneath.
Huh?
Well, the path we taking is a safe but very long path. Desiree, any comments?
No, I can't speak. I have no energy. That's true.
I find that hard to believe because you're always be speaking in class. So find that hard to believe. Kevin got stamina. You know, I feel like I have more adrenaline now than anything. More adrenaline. But after this, I want to reward myself with KFC. Or bacon shot. Nah, I'm not going to school tomorrow. Somebody give me somebody just give me the labs.
Hey, anybody want water?
I have extra sleeping.
That slope was dreadful. What's up, Kevin? That slope is dreadful. Do you see, boss? Okay. So my shades fell, and you're seeing that I got like bang up on thing. Rip my shades. Yeah, boy. Yeah, but so far there were more inclines than declines.
How you feel?
I said so far, boy. Or is it that you just focus more on the negative than the positive?
I tell you, it's easier to come up than go down.
You have a little faith now.
Thank you, Desiree.
Not giving all advice.
It's sweet, sweet water that the environmental class will not get to be in.
Anybody did last year? Yes. Don't worry. And we stay more to the end. That's where we have a plan. Just don't go in fancy. Just stay on the end more so. Yeah, we'll be good.
Perhaps I shouldn't be uploading this immediately.
Oh boy. When I went up, I thought a fork in the road. I didn't know which way to go.
Fork in the road?
You don't know what fork in the road is, Rajiv?
You don't have a spear in the road, right?
Something shot there.
Desiree, is that water here? Take note of this now. Once you fall, you dead.
Yeah, look. This is what Krishna climb up.
This is what I was telling you all the time.
So apparently some boy.
No, boy, I woke up didn't have no water.
Krishna, what you saying? I fork in the road.
It's not here, boy. Where I went didn't have no water.
I could only hear you.
We had some water coming
It did not have no
Desiree.
water, dog.
The sound that water go hunting until we get to the fall. You know what? I will carry you on an easy hike, guys.
What is easy hike? All hikes are, boy.
Check out this kind of incline now. That looking real nice. I don't care if I had to show my bag.
Right, does he want to go to
In fact, I hope it hit the sun. Shake your dorsey, boss. I love you.
this one last time?
No, we didn't.
Sorry, people.
Thank God we finally made it. Yeah. Nah, boy. This place is utterly astounding. Can't wait to be there now. I still can't believe we hike all this. Oh my gosh.
It's 2 miles.
What?
2 miles.
Hey, look, Centauri, boy.
Centauri make it?
Centauri.
Hey, Centauri!
You survived.
Centauri survived.
No shit, you know it?
Centauri.
My hair.
Fernando.
Centauri, how was it?
No shit, you survived.
Eh?
How you find out was?
Normal. Get it the first time, but now.
Who do it
I can see myself from Martin.
Especially since next time you might get to swim in it. I'm sorry for all environment students, by the way.
Shash.
How was? Really? What's your favorite part about it then? You come back again? You know that Dawson was like the perfect gentleman today. And Mr. Dawson. Yo.
So all you do, Ready? Before you come, bring my next one up. Come here. It's in the big pocket of my bag, just under the damn pull it out. You see the handle sticking out.
Shash again, I'm on that food day. Alright, almost there. Almost there. Right. Babes, the babes. Oh boy. No.
Yes, Gabriel, the
Oh.
bro.
Alright, broski.
Gabriel.
Oh.
Oh, damn.
Alright.
Alright, you gonna do it, bro? Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Hi, Gibbs. Hi. Right. Okay. Alright, Gibbs, the babes. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright.
You know, I must admit, this was pretty epic if you want to think now. It was nice. That is not fair!
This is my corruption. It's a big problem in this country.
You said it, brother. Alright, guys. So that is it, or that is it for what I got so far. It is actually next day when I'm recording this. I wanted to put this up ASAP, but I am very, very, very tired. My muscles were in pain, so I stayed home from school to do schoolwork and to edit this video. But it was a pretty awesome hike. Now, if I was to rate Rincon, I think his name, I can't remember, on a scale of 1 to 5 in difficulty, that'd be a 4.5. I've been on many hikes before, but that was the hardest one I've ever been on yet. But guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to stay tuned for more from the Environmental Club and the Environmental class.